Hello, people. This is Adrian right here. This video is based on the four quadrants. The four quadrants. Uh, I'm about some incense today. These smell good right here. Which one is this one right here? This the money right here. You see, it's called money. Money incense right there. Like that. This incense is the secret type. I'm a Scorpio, so Scorpios love red. So I had to get the red type in there. But anyway, guys, this is the video I'm gonna make right now on my YouTube channel. Uh, let's talk about the four quadrants. I read a book. The the author name was Robert Kiyosaki, and he talked about the four quadrants a lot in the book. What types of money you make for your living, and he called it north, south, east, and west. Basically, that means, guys, is the four quadrants is um, to say the north represent a businessman, the south represent you work for someone, you're an employee. Uh, the east represent you do forex trading, like you make money on interest and stuff like that in forex trading. You're an investor, right? And the west represent that you're self-employed. And that's what I am currently. I'm self-employed. And he talked about the difference between the four quadrants, guys. The benefits of each one. Now, the north side quadrant represents the business. So, for example, if you have over 100 employees, right? Like you own a McDonald's franchise or something like that, you got a big business that you don't got to be there. You got managers in play, you got supervisors in play, so you don't have to be there. Then he talked about the investor side, the east side, right? It said basically that you put some money down and you make compound interest, so you don't have to work hard for that money either, right? Then you got the self-employed. That's what I do. You got to be the smartest guy in your corporation or your business, what you're doing. And so your time is spent on making sure this self-employed business keep running good, right? Then you got your soft side as an employee that you already know about that. You got like 20, 30 bosses. If you late 5 minutes, you get written up, things that nature. Now, I ain't had a bunch of clock, what I mean, for like, 15 years. So I don't got to report at a certain time, but I have to report at a certain time, make sure the jobs get done before, they open it, whatever situation, right? But the moral to this story of the four quadrant, guys, is the business person and the person that's an investor, they are totally free, right? So not only that I have self-employment, the west side of the quadrant rocking with me, but I also spend a lot of time learning the north quadrant as a business person, and I also spend a lot of time learning the east side of the quadrant as an investor, guys. So I'm always learning to be free, because I want to tell you the number one thing before I end this video. What's more important than money? I'll give you a couple seconds to think about that. What's more important than money? It's your time, guys. Your time and what you do in your time is more important than money. So value your time more than money. So if a job that you're working 12 hours a day is taking your time for money, it's not worth it. If being self-employed, because I can be big on the self-employment thing if I want to, but it'll take too much of my time. And I value the most important, Adrian, me, I value my time. So what I decided to do, guys, is to help a lot of people with my rotator link because I believe in instant cash and I believe in residual income. So what I want y'all to do, guys, I got two buttons below this video, guys. Um, if you see it on YouTube, I have the links below this in the description. But if you see it in my traffic or my email series, whatever situation, I got two buttons below this video. One gonna be is the marketing system, guys, I use, the Conversion Pros. It pays you residual. It's 14 days free. So you don't have to put a credit card in that stuff. Try it out, see if it fit your style. And then also the second button I would have, guys, is easy one up. And that's instant cash, or they mail you a check if that's what you want. So I have two buttons. Instant cash. So the instant cash is good because you can buy traffic, guys. But the rotator link I'm setting up is for the family that who get involved with me, and I will reach out to you to get your links. So I will make you this page that you're seeing right now, guys. So your prospects can choose two buttons below this, and when you're in a marketing system, guys, I want you to learn how to set up a rotator also for your team, guys. So we can make 2019 and beyond, guys, very great if we work together on this. Um, I've been doing this for 4 years, guys, and in their marketing, but I've been doing my self-employment for like 15 years. So I understand business to a science, but you need people in the network marketing that's not making money, because there's a lot of guys out here making a lot of money, but not one of them started a rotator link, guys, that will help you get sales. Because that's my mission in life, to help a lot of people to be free, financial. So you have your time more than the money. Money comes and goes, right? But your time, you lose that forever. So I'm trying to find a lot of people that want their time back. And if I can find 100 people, guys, I'd be happy. Um, and I help them make money, and they can quit their 9 to 5 job or quit their self-employed business one day. And that's what my goal is, guys, for you. Just get in. So then we'll communicate. So I want that for us, for the team that I produce, but then I also want you to get in the marketing system. That's why I'm putting two business. Residual is a marketing system, guys. You make 50% commissions every month going to your bank. They pay every Friday. And then the residual income is an easy one up. So now I buy the traffic. I want you to set up your own rotator for your own team, and so we can expand it to a broad mass of people, guys. And that's my goal. You help one, and then they help one, and we keep it flowing like that, guys. And that's how we can make a lot of money in 2019, 2020 to get our time back. Because now not only we making instant cash, but we making residual income. And that's always the best, residual income. So you're not worried about your bills, anything like that. So let me help you, and I'm gonna work with you. Um, if you need more training, explanation how to do this and do that, I'm gonna be one phone call away because you'll be on my team. So I want to connect with you. All right, guys, this is Adrian. My goal is for us to win. Win. All right, guys. So take action below this video, um, and then I'll be in contact with you, and I'll show you more of. All right, guys. Have a nice day.